Yan, 3 quarters gym.
Third quarter.
Okay, you're being filmed.
Film? Ay, no, naman.
Huwag mo meron ko para
Linda, happy birthday!
Thank you, happy birthday din!
Ito.
Happy birthday, Linda!
Thank you, thank you.
Ang ganda.
So, 19... Ewan ko.
Kopong-kopong.
Pero nasa bundok ko. It was so nice. It was oil on canvas. So I had to galing sa Pilipinas and masyadong they were amoy nakaamal and dumi-dumi.
Oo,
And
ni-restore mo.
nilinis ko lang tapos inalis ko sa plywood. Hindi talaga sa plywood, inalis ko yung 2 plies ng plywood. Tapos, I market, tapos nilagay ko sa under ganyan. There's no way I can restore it. Naging, the colors have been dulled. I did it when I was 17.
Sino yan?
Tata, assistant, Tata Joe. I did it when I was 17 years old. Yeah, 17 years old.
How about the uniform?
Ito, I did it 1974 ata or something.
Oh, doon sa blanket din yan.
O, tingnan mo ito, 1974. This, okay pa ito. Kaya, hindi ko nilagay sa plastic and sa polyurethane. But it's hard. Dahil ito, nag-crack na yung mga paint eh. I couldn't just say, ano? Hindi inalagaan eh. Ito, the same thing, oil, hindi inalagaan. But,
Ikaw mismo nag-frame?
ako lahat nag-frame. Ito yung aking pencil drawing na ang luma. White and glass.
Linda, ito gusto ko ito.
Saan? Si Roy din eh.
Sabi ito, please do not eat.
So yan. Ito I used to pen with things. Kasi hindi inilagyan eh. Ito ang masterpiece ko rin natin sa
What?
You! Tapos ito, mga, ay,
The
naku!
gallery.